Hey everyone, what's going on? This is Suashish and welcome back to Code Family. So in this video, we are going to learn how we can update the JRE version of a older project in Eclipse. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So first of all, we have to check which version of JDK is installed in our system. So for that, click Window R button and then here write CMD and hit enter. And here you have to check which JDK version is installed. So for that, write the command here java c -version, then hit enter. As you can see, java c version 20 is installed, means JDK 20 is installed in our system. So let's update the older project. So close it and go to your Eclipse. And here this is a project, this is an older project, and here I have used JRE 1.8, which is the quite older one. So let's update this JRE. So for that, what we need to do is you just need to go to the and right click here and go to path and configure build path. As you can see, this is JRE 1.8 version, and double click on it. Then this 1.8 JRE is your workspace default JRE, so we have to change it to the updated one, which is JDK 20, which means JRE is also 20. So for that, click on install JRE. Then here we have to add the latest JRE path. So for that, click on add, then select standard VM. Here click on directory, and here you have to mention the directory where you have stored your JDK latest version. So in my case, I have stored it inside C drive, then program files, then Java, then here is my JDK 20. So now click on select folder and then finish. Then here you have to select the default JRE for your workspace. So here I am making it like JDK 20. Then apply and close, then finish, then also apply and close. So now as you can see, this project is get updated and it is showing it is using a JRE system library as JDK 20. So now let's try to run the program. So run as Java application, and as you can see, the program is running successfully. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then give it a like, and for more such content, subscribe to Code Family. And this is all about for this video, guys, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, keep coding.